G. This thing is crazy, guys. This is the brand new soft bait from Geecrack. This guy right here is called the G Crazy, 18 inches long. This is a relatively new subset of fishing in Japan and really expanding into the USA using these oversized, smaller profile, skinny worms. Now, there are a couple of them out in the US right now from other Japanese companies like Evergreen, one of my favorites, the bow worm. This guy right here is going to be a little bit more durable. It is going to be a total of 18 inches long. This is a long, soft plastic lure. However, a lot of these fish are, they're seeing a lot of regular Senkos and curly tail worms and stuff like that. This is going to fit into the subset of Nico rig fishing or fishing it with a small nail weight in the bottom of the lure. Now you might be wondering, how the heck am I gonna actually get a nail weight into this thing? Well, there's not just one way to rig this. You can rig this many different ways by putting multiple sections of the worm on the hook and allowing for a very weightless, almost supernatural worm look in the water, something like an earthworm. This guy right here is super versatile. Now, this doesn't have a ton of salt in it, so even though it is 18 inches long, this thing's actually very, very durable when paired up with a crossover ring or a Nico hack in the small variation. Now, you can drop shot this, Nico rig it, fish it weightless. You can skip it actually really, really well. One of my favorite ways that I've seen this rigged is actually bunching it up in almost like a loop like this and putting your hook through two pieces of the plastic, and you're able to skip it around, cast it out pretty easily. Now, it's not the heaviest thing in the world, so I do recommend a spinning rod, typically lighter line, anything in the 10 to 15 pound range, or if you're bait casting, try some BFS gear. Definitely super fun way to catch fish, very unique as well, and a profile and presentation that the fish probably have not ever seen before. So, brand new from Geecrack, 18-inch, G Crazy, super cool stuff, and in partnership with the homeless fisherman Marshall. So guys, make sure to check it out. If you want more information, definitely go over to Marshall's page, and he's going to be blasting a bunch of cool stuff about this guy right here. So thanks for coming to WeCast and checking out the cool stuff from Geecrack.